mean, it's... Hello everyone, how's it going? My name is the Bird Boy, and today I am bringing you an episode of Pixelmon. My first episode got deleted, which sucked. So now I'm making this for you guys. So yeah, got my apricot farm started. I got a level 11 Turtwig. Oh my goodness. Don't kill me. Son of a... It's okay. It's okay. We live and we learn. Oh my god, did I do it? Ugh. Didn't work. I was trying. And I got a new texture pack, which is awesome. Num 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 num. Okay. Let's go kill something. That's the moon. That is the freaking moon. It's awesome. I also got a mini-map installed, which is sweet. Shows where I last died. Shows me where stuff is. So yeah, it's good. I'm gonna kill this Mareep. Mareep! Oh yeah, and I gave myself 20 Pokeballs. Oh my goodness, run away, come on. Yes. Now kill this. Absorb. Oh, poop. Tackle. Yes. Absorb, come on. Come on. Oh, poop. Come on. You can do this. Yes. Come on. Yes. Razor Leaf. Ooh, level 13. Luckily, I didn't evolve my Turtwig. Because I wanted to savor the moment. Oh, poop. Wanted to savor the moment. And once you destroy a block, it turns into a Pokeball, I thought. Oh, well. This is coal. That was random. Where are all the magic carps? Carps. If you want me to change the texture pack, just ask. Just ask. Don't be afraid to ask me questions. Or nothing. But anyway, where are the freaking Magikarps? Cause I needs them. Oh, poop. Oh, very nice. Come on. Alright, well, I see a Mareep. Oh, level 12 Mareep. Let's do this. Nope, come here. Mareep. There we go. I Razor Leaf that. Yes. There are all the Magikarps. Level 10. Oh, 14. We can do this. Come on. There we go. Level 14. 14. 935. Holy butt cheeks. 34. Holy crap. 36. Okay, I'm gonna be on my merry little way. Merry little way. Okay. So. Oh, I can kill this. Oh, poop. Come on. Oh, poop. Alright, come on. Don't die. Yay! We escaped. Oh, son of a... Escape, come on. Come on, I believe. You son of a... It's okay. It's okay. We are not mad. Alrighty. I think I went the wrong way. Oh, yeah, here it is. It's over here. I think. Let it be over here. Oh, poop. It's over here, isn't it? No, it's over here. Yeah. Yeah. No, that ain't it, is it? Yeah, poop. Oh, there it is. Oh, poop. Get up there. Yeah, see, I knew what I was talking about. I just knews it. I knews it, knews it, okay. Ah, poop. Didn't work. Didn't work. Didn't work. Hopefully I can pick this up, can I? Yay, I can. Place it right there. Yes, Pixelmon music. That's the best. That is the best type of music. Best, 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 best. Nothing in there. Oh, there they are. What is... Oh, 13. Not that bad. Let's tackle it. Boom. Carp. 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 Oh my goodness, this is gonna be some good levels. What? Yeah, that's what I thought. Absorb, yes. What level are you? 17, alright. Razor leaf. Absorb. Boom. Alright. I don't think we're able to take on a grappler just yet. How about a dig? Oh. Let's try. Let's try. Razor leaf. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Curse. Oh. So you can only use curse. It's evolving. Turtwig is evolving. So you can only use curse. Like the good one on a ghost Pokemon? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Grotle? Grotle. Or Grottle. What level are you? Oh, poop. Nope, ain't gonna mess with him. No, 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 no. Ooh, I'll mess with you. I will definitely mess with you. Boom, level 19. You know what? I'm gonna catch me something. Just right now. Just right now. Alrighty. Come here, Miltank. I like Miltanks. Ouch. Okay, he hurts. Don't kill it. Don't kill it. Don't kill it. Ooh, don't kill him. Okay. Alright. Let's try that. Son of a... Tackle, don't kill it. Yes. Bag and tag. Come on. Ah, poop. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, stay. Just stay. Just stay. I want you in my party, and we're gonna party hardy. You can't party hardy if you're not in the party. I'm giving you an invitation to me, to find me, and to just, no, come on, just get in my balls. Get in my balls. Come on, get in my balls. You know you want to just get in my balls. Come on, they're my balls, and popped out. Poop. Poop, poop, poop. I will spend all my Pokeballs on this milk tank. No! Come on. Come on, you got this milk tank. Come on. Just stay in your home. In your home. Come on. You got this. You got this. You got this. You got this. Come on. Son of a... Ugh. So frustrating. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do this. 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 I believe. I believe. I believe. I believe. I frickin' believe. Okay. Captured a milk tank. Nice. Oh, I'm gonna destroy you. Okay, razor leaf. Oh, poop. Milk tank. Just stomp it. Yeah. Where I need to go back. So yeah, as you can... Oh, poop. As you can tell, I have the updated version. It's very nice. I like it. I finally found out how to do it. Yeah, too strong. Alrighty. Fight it. Stomp on it. Just keep stomping on it. Come on, just keep stomping on it. Come on. There you go. Son of a... Run, 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 run. Yay! Good job, Milk Tank. Good boy, you. Oh, no. Frickin' raining and just stop being all poopy and poop. I'll just need to try and heal and stuff, but no. Ooh, an electric kid. Should I get one? I mean, I don't know. Cause I mean, yeah, they're good, and I don't know. Ah, poop! It didn't work. Dang it. You know what? I think I'm gonna go for that elect kid. Or elect kid. Elect kid? Elect kid? I think it's elect kid. I don't know, I'm confusing myself. 19 and 16. Let's go after the 16. Come here, come after the 16. Son of a... Come on. Razor leaf, but don't kill it. Don't kill it. Ooh, okay. Pokeball. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let us go, 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 go. Come on. This is... No! This is your new home. This is your new home. This is going to be... Come on. Come on. Miltank joined the party. Why can't you? Huh? Miltank was being a trooper. He joined the party. You need to join. No! You don't join by popping out. Alright? So just stay. 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 Son of a... Razor leaf it. No, razor leaf it! Miss! That was close. Okay, just stay. No! This is not staying in your balls. I'm gonna shove you in my ball. Come on, you just need friends. I'm gonna try and be your friend. No! Son of a... Me be friend of you, and you be friend of me. I don't frickin' shove leaves in your face with razor leaf. I don't, like, frickin' sharpen leaves and everything, but still, you need to stay in your home. Thank you. Thank you. That's all I ask for. That is all I ask for. Please run. Please run. Please run. Yay, I believed in you. Okay. Now, let me just heal my Grotil. Ugh. Dang it! Didn't work. Alright. God, this minimap is so awesome. See mill tanks. I see that, the Tauros, I think it is. I don't know. Go! With Diglett, I'm gonna destroy you. Razor leaf. My goodness. What level are you, Godin? Ooh. Good levels on my mill tank. Now razor leaf it. And now absorb. Yay, good job. I bet we won't be able to find a boss this level. Poop. Big, swishy poop. I wonder. I'm feeling confident. Come on. Come on, don't kill me. What? Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't. Son of a... Alright, stomp it. Stomp it. Dang it, it's not working! Don't kill him, just... Ooh, this has good moves. Thunder Punch it. Well, that didn't work. Magikarp. 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 My reap. Alright, I need to do something right before I get back there. Oh, yeah. Parkour. Shaka. Parkour. Alrighty. Now I need to do /1 point. There we go. Much better. Now we can just kill ourselves. Yay! Ugh. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. And sadly to say this, I think I'm gonna have to end this episode here. Please leave a like if you enjoyed. It really helps me out a lot. Subscribe to become part of everyone in the Everyone Army. And what is your favorite Pokemon? And yeah. And as always, have a good day.